Join us in this video as we demonstrate the process of editing item tags and adding a new tag to your Ibin account. To begin, log into your Ibin account and then click on My Items in the navigation bar. To modify the tag of an item, simply click on the three dots found on the right side of the item. Select Edit from the drop-down menu. Within the modal, you have the option to delete or add new tags to your items, enhancing their organization. In the modal window, enter the new tag name in the Tags field, and then choose Create from the drop-down menu. Press the Save button to apply the changes. You can now search for your tag in the navigation bar. Simply type the keyword into the highlighted search box to locate specific items. Now you're ready to rename or create new tags to enhance your organization.